Yep, so I just got this Series X here just like this. Here's the motherboard, and he put other boards here inside. And shipping, this could cause a lot of damage. Don't put multiple boards on top of each other like that. And yeah, this guy attempted a HDMI port replacement and completely messed up his board. Let's go fix it. So yeah, here it is under the microscope. We can see the ripped traces and the missing components. I really don't know if this thing even powers on anymore, but let's do the repair anyways and go for it. First, I'm gonna heat up this area, clean it up, and tin the pads. Okay, yeah, this looks so much better now. Literally shooting this video, another person just dropped off another Series X. Let's get back to this. I have a fresh port here. Let's prep it. Awesome, so I got that new port on here installed. All we have to do is run those traces, but those legs look great here. I added a little bit extra love on those legs. I just finished running those traces here. All right, let's clean it up, put it together, and test. And this is the not fun part, putting it back together from the pieces that he took up. We're not gonna be able to test because he didn't provide the flex cable that connects this to the other board here. So a week later, I just received the flex cable, so I'm assembling it. Let's see what happens. All right, I put it here together enough just to test. I don't think this thing is gonna power on. Let's see. Oh, get the hell out of here. It powers on. Nice. The tester does say okay. And we have 720p. We got it. Damn it.